Hi, this is Mr. Smith, and this is the last day of week 3 of AP European History. This is day number 4, and you can watch the last video, either the one about the Counter-Reformation or the results of the Reformation. Either of those are fine, and type those into the bell ringer for participation. Take part 1 of the test, which is 10 true and false and 40 matching. Just make sure you cut this out here. Take part 1 of the test, and that includes 10 true and false, and the rest are multiple choice. And then part 2 would be the essays. And then also make sure that you redo or submit anything from units 1 and 2. And something else not here on the screen would be to make sure that you complete the test reflection. So you can see here on the next screen, this is of course the home screen with the modules. You can see the test essays, and the test reflection. The test, you would just click take the quiz and begin, and it will randomly pull up one of the true and false questions for you, and just click next when you're ready to go on to the next question. When you're done with the entire test, you would click submit quiz. The essays, I will actually take the scores that you get on the essay test, which is separate, and plug into this one. And speaking of the essays, you do the same thing, take the quiz, begin, and the first of the questions will pop up. And there's going to be 2 formats. There's 2 DBQ questions. This is one of them. The document will also be there. So if you click on that, it will give you the primary documents that it came from. These are also the same ones that were in the AP 2 DBQ assignment, and the other essay would be the documents from the AP 1 DBQ assignment. But either one that you get, you make sure that you have a first paragraph that is the main idea or answer to this question in 1 to 2 sentences. Then a paragraph that compares the 2 documents in 3 to 5 sentences, one that contrasts it, and the other that puts it in a historical context. And then the conclusion, 1 to 2 sentences, which will all go down right here. And once you're done, you'll go on to the next one, and that would be the free response essay. And there'll be one of 2 free response topics. One is about the printing press, the other one is about the bubonic plague and their impacts. And you do the same thing, basically 1 to 2 sentences that will address the prompt, supporting evidence with 3 to 5 sentences, a second point, and a third point, each with 3 to 5 sentences, and the inclusion with 1 to 2 sentences. And then once you're done, you'll click submit basically, and the text box will open up, and you'll type in the text box the answer to this prompt here. After completing both parts of the test, answering the following questions with 3 to 5 sentences altogether. The assignment will count as a test grade. From units 1 and 2, what material did you learn the best? What did you learn the least? And what helped you the most for the test? And this will count toward test points, an easy way to get a 10 out of 10 on a test. And so that will finish this up. And next week we'll start on Unit 3 on Tuesday. And so that module will be here at the top when we cover the next topic.